Feeling lost in the world of workflow automation and AI integration? Let's cut through the confusion and decide once and for all which platform N8N or Langchain is the champion for your needs. First up, N8N. This is your go-to for visual workflow automation. Think of it as Legos for your digital life. You drag and drop nodes representing different apps and services like connecting your CRM to your email marketing tool to create automated workflows. It shines when you need to automate repetitive tasks without writing a single line of code, thanks to its user-friendly interface and extensive library of integrations. Now, enter Langchain. This is the power user's playground for building AI-powered applications. Unlike N8N's visual approach, Langchain relies heavily on code. It's designed to help you chain together different language models and components to create sophisticated AI solutions, like chatbots or personalized content generators. If you're comfortable with Python and want deep customization, Langchain is your gem. Customization is key, so which offers more control. N8N excels in adapting existing integrations to your specific needs and building custom nodes if necessary. Langchain, on the other hand, gives you virtually limitless customization over your AI models and logic, but requires significant coding knowledge. User experience matters. N8N boasts a more intuitive interface for beginners, allowing you to quickly set up workflows without a steep learning curve. Langchain's code-centric approach makes it less accessible to non-programmers. However, that complexity unlocks unparalleled flexibility for experienced developers. So, which is best for you? If you prioritize ease of use, visual workflow creation, and extensive app integrations without coding, N8N wins. But if you're an experienced developer seeking deep customization and AI-powered applications, Langchain is your ultimate tool. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your skills and the specific challenges you're trying to solve. Now go forth and automate.